how you can make over $500 to $1,000 in a day with ClickBank affiliate marketing with Google pay-per-click ads. Now, as you see here, right, we have $1,400 a day, 1,678. All these come from Google pay-per-click ads, pay-per-click traffic. Now, why I'm always talking about different traffic sources, you have to understand is this: not every traffic source equals the same sales. What do I mean by that? You see, attention, if you're studying TikTok, for example, attention span of people is different. It's very low compared to Google. Why people go to Google? They go there to find, get educated, get education before they buy something, or to go and buy the product. That's the only reason people ever go to Google, right? And that's why, my friend, you can find the buyers very easily over there. Those are the people who will buy, who will swipe their credit card, debit card, and buy the product. It either weight loss supplement, or back pain product, or whitening for teeth, or I don't know, a course about manifestation, or anything else, dating, right? It doesn't matter. Now, in this video, I'm going to show exactly how you can do it. Before that, you can reach out to me later on Instagram, my Facebook, or my WhatsApp. I'll have my personal contact number there. As you can see over here, right, all these things are thanks to affiliate marketing, being super affiliate, promoting CPAID affiliate offers, right, online. So all this is possible once you take affiliate marketing really, really seriously, okay? So later you can reach out to me over here. Now let's go straight into it. Let me show over here how you can get the results. You see, no one is talking about this. This is the most important thing. If you're promoting or selling any products online, you have to understand that you have over here, you see, this is the prospect, this is the person who is going to Google today, searching for the solutions to their problems, right? And this is your offer, this is your landing page on ClickFunnels, your website or blog. And this is the bridge from point A to point B. The point B being getting a solution, right, to their pains and problems. Now, if you want to have this, what you have to do is, you see over here, we have low emotional states audience. They're in low emotional state. And this is too low. There is something blocking them to getting to the solution. Now, when you put your ad copy, the positioning, copywriting correctly, you'll be able to naturally attract buyers and get all the way from 5 to 20 sales, low ticket offer a day. What do I mean by that? You see, someone on ClickBank, let me show you over here. Someone on ClickBank will buy a product that costs, let's say, $37, $37 upfront, right? Front end offer. Now, what will happen later, right, is they will get to 021, which is basically 021 is basically an upsell one. So it means that upsell is going to be something like $69, or let's say $67, and then the next one is, let's say, $200, right? So you see the whole funnel, it's worth, let's say, $300 US, right? So it means you can make potentially $300 from one sale, one person, one customer. Now, do you see the opportunity of making money here? Most people are afraid to spend money on ads because they don't know how the math behind advertising online works. Okay, it's not your fault. If you have tried in the past and it didn't work out, I understand. I know how you feel because I used to be there. I used to be a beginner, not knowing what to do. But the only thing I can give you advice, if you get nothing else from this video, is to get someone to help you one-on-one, step-by-step, personally, hand-holding you to get quicker and faster results. So you can avoid all the account shutdowns, all the stress and disappointments, and get to the point much more quicker, right? So you see, $300, okay, $300 from one sale. So it means how many sales do you need? Or you need one sale for $300 a day. You need, let's say, if you have 10 sales, you have $3,000. If you have only one sale a day, you're almost making $10,000 per month, or let's say $2,500 per week net profit, right? So this is how it works. Now, we have low emotional states and high emotional states audiences. Some of the people will watch VSL on ClickBank, that long video sales letter for 45 minutes, right? Why? Because they are not a buyer. They need to be put into what? The main job of ad, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads in this case, is to put person into the what? Into the problem state, okay? So with our messaging, we have to have the right message to the market match. Now, If you're really serious, you can spend 20 to 30 minutes a day and be making $500 per day with Google. Because if we are honest, what we are doing as an affiliate is not selling. You know what we are doing? We are pre-selling. So let's say we go on Google right now, all right? We go on Google, we set up one ad. Let's say one ad is, let's say 20 US dollars per ad, okay? We do phone bidding, we do targeting correctly, we do keyword research. Now, again, you don't have to do all this. All that can be done for you and together with you if you're really serious, if you really want to get results in 2024 with affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads without ever showing your face or making any videos, okay? So that's the most important thing. As you can see over here, you can see it, right? This is your offer, the bridge, low emotional state, get people into the problem state first and move them from a problem state through your messaging on landing page to the solution state where they know, aha, now I need a problem. We can do this using different quiz funnels by having the right message to the market match and then getting people to the solution state, from the problem state to the solution state where they finally buy now, right? By now you should realize how easy and simple this can be once you have someone to show you finally how this is done, right? Step by step. Now, as you watch this video, if you want to know exactly how to do this, put it together. Spend, let's say, 30 minutes a day setting this up with someone together. Not any course, not watching videos, but actually taking action so you can have passive income in 2024, sustainable profits. I'm talking sustainable, not as gurus I promise you millions. I'm talking sustainable $500, $700 a day profits or something like that, right? If you're really serious, this is doable, okay? This is doable, and the income should be goal to be making this much money, okay? So if you really want to get results, and what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links are in the description under this video. My Facebook, my Instagram, my WhatsApp personal contact number, okay, where you can reach me. But do this only if you're really serious. If you really want to get some results and get this up and running in 2024. So as you can see over here before, you can have these kind of results, right? Traveling and having all the fun you want. Now, again, maybe this is not for you. Maybe you don't want to do this. It's okay, but you can use money for something else, right? If this is not something that you would like to do, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know after watching this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment, ask me any questions you want. But again, only if you want to get results in 2024 with ClickBank affiliate marketing.